Hi friends, Sunil here. Welcome to this channel. In this session we are going to see how to generate numbers in a Fibonacci series. First let us see what a Fibonacci series is. In this series the first two terms are 0 and 1 and these terms are fixed. The numbers thereafter are generated by adding its previous two terms. That means the next number 1 we get by adding its previous two terms, that is 0 and 1. The next term 2 we get by adding its previous two terms, that is 1 and 1. Then the next term 3 we get by adding the previous terms 1 and 2. 5 we get by adding its previous terms 2 and 3. 8 we get by adding its previous terms 3 and 5, and so on. Now before going to the program, let me explain this table. In this example we are taking the number of terms as 9. The number of terms n is input by the user. The first term in this series is 0. Second term is 1, third is 1, fourth is 2, fifth is 3, sixth is 5, then 8, then 13, and the ninth term is 21. Now in the program I am declaring variables pt1 and pt2 for previous terms and nxt for the next term. pt1, my pt1 I am initializing with 0. pt2 I am assigning the value 1. So next term is pt1 plus pt2, that is 0 plus 1, that is 1. That is my next term. That is 0, 1 and 1. Now after that I am moving the value of pt2 to pt1. Moving the value of next to pt2 and summing pt1 and pt2. So I get the new next, that is pt1 value is 1, pt2 value is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 is my next term. Then I am repeating this process. pt2 I am moving to pt1, nxt I am moving to pt2 and adding pt1 and pt2. pt1 is 1, pt2 value is 2, so 1 plus 2 I am getting 3. That 3 is my next term. That is 3. After that again I am moving pt2 to pt1. nxt, that is value 3, pt1 is value 2 and nxt is having the value 3 now, that I am moving to pt2. I am adding pt1 and pt2, that is 2 and 3, I am getting 5, which is my next term. So this process is repeated in the program to print the terms. So now let us see the program to print the series. I am declaring integer variables pt1, pt2, nxt, I and n. pt1 I am assigning value 0, pt2 I am assigning value 1. And value of I is 2, I is the counter which we are using in the while loop. Then the user is asked to enter the number of terms through the keyboard and the value of the number of terms is stored in variable n. Then we are printing pt1 and pt2. Our pt1 is 0 and pt2 is 1. So we are printing pt1 and pt2, that is 0 and 1. That is the first two terms of the series, which are fixed terms, that is 0 and 1 we have printed here. Then I am entering into this while loop. The value of I is 2 and n, in our example we are taking the number of terms as 9. So 2 less than 9 means starting from 2 to 8. 7 times this loop will be repeated. Now here my next value will be pt1 plus pt2. pt1 is 0 and pt2 is 1. So next will be 0 plus 1 is 1. That is the third term. So that next is getting printed here, the third term. After that this one becomes my pt1 and the next term becomes my pt2. Then I will add these two terms and print the next term, that is 2. So that is happening here. PT2 value I am moving to PT1. The next value, that is 1, I am moving to PT2. Here both are 1. PT2 is also 1, next is also 1. So PT1 and PT2 values are 1 now. So I am incrementing the value counter I, then repeating the loop. So PT1 is 1 and PT2 is 1. So next becomes 1 plus 1, 2, and that next is getting printed here. Now this 1 becomes my PT1 and the next 2 value is 2, that becomes my PT2, and I will add PT1 and PT2 and arrive at the next one, that is 3. So that is happening here. PT2 value, that is 1, I am moving to PT1, and the next value, that is 2, I am moving to PT2. I am repeating the loop. Next is equal to PT1 plus PT2, that is 1 plus 2, 3, and I am printing that 3 here, that is the fourth term. Now this 2 becomes my PT1 and the next term 3 becomes my PT2. So that is happening here. That is PT2 is moved to PT1, that is 2 is moved to PT1, and the next term 3 is moved to PT2. Then the loop is repeated. I am adding that PT1 and PT2, 2 plus 3, 5 is the next term, and 5 gets printed here. So in this way the loop is repeated and we will print the series will be printed. Now we will execute the program and see how it works. So this is the program, same program which I have explained you now, and this is the loop, and we will run it and see now. So it is asking the user to enter the number of terms. Say I am giving 9. So this is the series 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13 and 21. Now we will run for some other values. Say I am giving the number of terms as 12. So in that case, this is the series 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55 and 89. So in this way you can print for n number of terms. You can print the series for n number of terms. Hope you have understood this video. If you like this, share it with your friends. And if you are having any doubts, clarifications, put in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe this. Thanks very much.